In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Nvidia overlay not showing FPS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now bear in mind that the Nvidia overlay is only going to show FPS when you're in a game, so just keep that in mind. Next thing you want to do is open up the Nvidia application, which looks like this. If you're on the outdated GeForce experience, you want to go ahead and uninstall that and download the new Nvidia app from a browser of your choice. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this, and then go over to your settings application. And if you're having any issues like that, just go ahead and enable, or when it's enabled, go ahead and disable it and then re-enable it like so. Then it says Alt-Z to open up the overlay. So we're going to open it up right now, and then you're going to see a lot of different options. Well, we're going to go to settings right here, and then you're going to see like heads up display, things like that. It's going to ask you exactly what you want to be seeing. And all I want to do is I just want to make sure that FPS is enabled right here, whether I go on instant replay, configure the video capture, anything like that as well. But then also like with the game filters. And then once you're done with that, again, just make sure it's disabled and then re-enabled. And then also you can try and update your new game ready driver if you need one available. Go ahead and download it. For example, this one just released today, so I can go ahead and download and install it, restart my PC. It's very important you restart your PC after you go ahead and install a new driver. Then your FPS should be working fine, and it's as simple as that. Now, if all those things don't work, what I want you to do is go to the bottom where it says search, type in services like so, and then go ahead and open it up. Then you want to go towards the very bottom right here until you find Nvidia. So we're going to find it right now. Then you're going to see Nvidia FrameView SDK. So what you want to do is double click on it, and where it says startup type manual, switch it to automatic. Once you do that, press apply, press OK, and then it definitely should work.